ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಶೇಪ್ಸ್, ಆಕಾರ, ಸೌಂಡ್, ಶಬ್ದ, ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಣ್ಣಗಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ತೇಜಸ್ವಿತಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ 3ರಿಂದ 5 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
I can make a pattern, a beautiful pattern with just two things. Meow woof, meow woof, meow woof, meow woof. Clap, snap, clap, snap, clap, snap, clap, snap. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I can make a pattern, a beautiful pattern with just two things. Hello children, I am Gayatri Auntie. I'm going to tell you a story about Neelu and Ajju Anna. This is Neelu and this is her brother Ajju. Ajju and Neelu love playing together, just like you. Ajju Anna, where are you? Here I am, do you see me? Ajju Anna, where are you? I found you! Ajju Anna, shall we sing a song? Okay, Neelu. Bim bum, bidi bidi bum. Bidi bum, bidi bum, bidi bum bum. Bum bim, body. Ajju Anna, that's wrong. Shall we sing it together now? Okay, Neelu. Bim bum, bidi bidi bum. Bidi bum, bidi bum bum. Just then, Ajju remembers something. Nenapaitu. Neelu, Amma is calling me. I need to go. Okay, Ajju. But don't see under this, okay? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೋ ನೋಡಬಾರದು. Okay, Ajju. Saying this, Ajju left. Ajju said there was something under this. Oh wow, look at this. Colorful cars, red cars, blue cars. They're all arranged in a pattern. Red car, blue car, red car, blue car, red car, blue car, red car, blue car. Yay! Beep beep, vroom vroom. Beep beep, vroom vroom. Beep vroom. Hop on, hop on. Beep beep, vroom vroom. Beep beep, vroom vroom. What is that sound? Ajju is coming back. I must quickly keep my cars back. I can make a pattern, a beautiful pattern with just two things. Red car, blue car, red car, blue car. I can make a pattern, a beautiful pattern with just two things. Is this what Ajju arranged? No, this was not the pattern. Then what was the pattern? Yav pattern ittu? Shall we see if Neelu gets it correctly now? Oh no, this was not what Ajju arranged. Let me quickly arrange it. Red car, blue car, red car, blue car, red car, blue car, red car, blue car. Is this what Ajju arranged? Yes, this was the pattern. Red car, blue car, red car, blue car, red car, blue car, red car, blue car. Ajju comes back. Neelu, I'm back. Neelu, did you play with my cars? Yes, Ajju, I did. But see, I have kept them in the same pattern as you had left. Yes, Neelu. Thank you for sharing your cars, Ajju. I'll go and play by myself now. Okay, Neelu. Bye. Oh, how I want to play with cars and make patterns like Ajju. Where will I get the cars from? Idea! Here are two orange blocks. I can make an orange car with it. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, my orange car is ready. I'll make a blue car now. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, my blue car is also ready. Hey, all my cars are ready. Beep beep, vroom vroom, beep beep, vroom vroom, beep vroom, beep vroom, pom pom, pom pom. Hey, wait! Why don't I make another pattern with this? I can make a pattern, a beautiful pattern, a beautiful pattern with just two things. Orange car, blue car, orange car, blue car. I can make a pattern, a beautiful pattern, a beautiful pattern with just two things. This way, Neelu continued to play the whole day with cars and make more patterns.
So now let's do some patterns. Okay, flower pattern. Now let's do shape pattern. Circle. Up the hill, down the hill, back. Triangle.